What's going on, guys? Mr. Chocolate here, and today we will be in the survival let's play. So let's get an infinite world. Let's do YouTube play. See, let's do diamond seed. There we go. Let's create the world. Okay. Gotta remember this part. Cool. Okay, let's just get this tree. Faster. 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 Okay, let's place it right here. We have to remember that spot. And let's go ahead and make a crafting table. Let's go ahead and make a chest. Shoot, dang it. I don't know if I showed you guys this glitch, but you can do it with any two items that stack. So we have to get one more piece of wood. And now, guess what? We don't need to cut trees anymore. We don't need to cut trees anymore, because watch this. If I throw the wood, like, over here. So I throw it over here. Get this wood out of the chest. Get this wood up. And then, look. Press the slot next to it. It just drops wood. It's amazing. Don't fix that glitch. Because that's what we're going to do with diamonds. I am going to get diamonds in the first episode. I don't care if it takes 40 minutes. I'm still getting diamonds in the first episode. Sorry about the noise. So let's go ahead. Oh wow. Okay. Let's make sticks. Pickaxe. And no, we're not gonna make a sword. And I think we're good. So let's go ahead and do some mining. Come on, something, we gotta get something. We are going to get diamonds in the first episode. I really don't care how long it takes. We are getting diamonds. I'm very serious about this. I don't want to leave any of this coal behind, because Right now it's such a valuable material, and coal equals life. Because coal, OP. And we can go ahead and make some torches. You know, for some reason when I do too many items mod, okay, we're gonna need to go in here eventually, so why not now? There's some gold. My god. Scarlet, stop! Okay, so we found one iron. Cool. Oh god, spiders. I don't like spiders. They're nasty. They taste like poop. They taste like poop. We'll come back to that cave to get the gold. Okay. Need to get 2 more iron. And then we'll be good. Come on. Come on. Come on. Something. Let's go. Okay. Crab on a freaking stick. Oh, yes! Just my freaking luck, people. Just my freaking luck. Okay, so let's go ahead and put our crafting table down. There. Furnace. Did I make a furnace or did I make a block of coal? I made a block of coal. I don't even care because I have unlimited coal. A block of coal. This is how much I don't even care. That's how much I really don't even freaking care. Like, yeah. Like, yeah. How does that been smelt? I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh, did we bring our chest? No, we didn't even bring our chest. Now we have to make another chest. Dang, I'm wasting wood. Put it here. I can open it, right? Yeah. Okay, now let's make some sticks. And now, how's our... Okay. Let's make an iron pickaxe. And here we go. Ready? Diamonds in the first episode. How long did it take for me to get diamonds? 10 minutes? Whoa, okay, that's quick. That's actually really quick. Okay, yes. Yes. I'm talking about it. I put all the crap in the chest. Stuff the crap in the chest. Stuff the crap in the chest. Yes. Yes. 1 diamond. throw it over there. I need to pick it up. And now get this other diamond. And it's, we got unlimited diamonds. We have unlimited diamonds. I think this is a good spot to wrap up this episode. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna go do some off-camera work and get some diamonds off camera. Thank you guys for watching. And of course, eat that chocolate. Okay, shoot, I messed up the ending part thingy. Eat the chocolate and eat Mr. Chocolate.